Dogecoin, Doge, a cryptocurrency, continues to garner significant attention from investors and analysts alike. The coin's potential for future growth has captured the imagination of market experts, with a notable prediction from respected market analyst Javan Marks. Despite recent fluctuations in the broader market, including a notable 46% decline from its peak price of $0.48434, Marks remains confident that Dogecoin will see a substantial rise, possibly reaching to $0.28. This would represent an extraordinary surge from its current value of $0.31687, positioning Doge for a 600% increase. Marks' positive outlook on Dogecoin stems from the coin's historical price movements, which suggest it has the potential for upward momentum during certain market cycles. He leverages technical analysis, particularly the Fibonacci expansion tool, to demonstrate a recurring pattern in Doge's price action. Over the years, Dogecoin has shown the ability to rise dramatically from its lowest points, often surpassing key Fibonacci levels during bull market phases. According to Marks, the 1.618 Fibonacci level, a significant technical indicator, has proven to be a reliable marker for Dogecoin's price movement. Marks' analysis draws from past bull market cycles to support his forecast. In 2017, Dogecoin saw a dramatic increase, rising from a low of $0.000009 to a high of $0.00748, closely aligning with the 1.618 Fibonacci level from its 2015 low. A similar price surge took place in 2021, when Dogecoin's value surged from $0.00168 to an all-time high of 73 cents, again breaching the 1.618 Fibonacci level. In both of these instances, Dogecoin followed a pattern of substantial price increases, often correlating with larger market trends. Marks believes that these historical trends are critical in assessing Dogecoin's future trajectory. For the current phase, he points to the 1.618 Fibonacci level as a key target, which suggests that if Doge continues to follow its past patterns, it could reach a price of $2.28. This would mark a significant milestone in the cryptocurrency's journey, positioning it as one of the more high-performing digital assets in the market. However, Marks is not the only analyst expressing optimism for Dogecoin's future. Other experts, including Javier Santini and Ali Martinez, have also offered positive projections for the cryptocurrency. Santini has set a price target of $4 for Doge, citing similar market conditions that have contributed to previous rallies. Martinez, known for his more aggressive forecasts, is predicting a much higher price of $18, a target that reflects his belief in the coin's continued growth as it gains further adoption in the market. Despite recent market volatility, much of which has been influenced by the Federal Reserve's actions and broader economic factors, analysts continue to see potential in Dogecoin. The cryptocurrency's relatively low price compared to other digital assets, combined with the potential for substantial growth in the future, has many experts projecting that Doge could see considerable price appreciation. Analysts are watching for signals that the market will recover and that Dogecoin will benefit from this recovery, especially during future bull market cycles. In the broader context of the cryptocurrency market, many digital assets have struggled with volatility and regulatory uncertainties. However, Dogecoin has generally performed in line with the expectations set by analysts like Marks, who have used historical data to forecast future price movements. While the crypto market faces challenges, including regulatory changes and market sentiment shifts, Dogecoin's ability to hold its ground amidst turbulence has further cemented its position as a notable cryptocurrency. Investor sentiment surrounding Doge is another crucial factor in its potential growth. While the market is currently navigating a period of uncertainty, there remains a strong belief among traders and investors that Dogecoin will follow historical trends and experience significant price growth. Many investors are closely monitoring Doge, hoping to capitalize on its potential for a substantial rally. The low price of Doge compared to other more established cryptocurrencies is an attractive factor for new investors who see it as an opportunity to enter the market with relatively low risk. However, while the forecast for Dogecoin remains optimistic, there are risks that could affect its price trajectory. The broader economic environment, including the actions of central banks and global regulatory developments, could impact investor confidence in the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, shifts in investor sentiment and the performance of other major digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum could influence Doge's price movements. Nonetheless, with solid historical precedents and continued analyst confidence, many believe that Dogecoin remains on track for substantial growth. As the market continues to evolve, investors and traders will be keeping a close eye on Dogecoin's price movements, watching for any signs of the predicted rally. Whether or not Doge reaches its forecasted price of $2.28 or surpasses that level remains to be seen, but with its established track record and continued backing from analysts, many remain hopeful about its future. For those who believe in the coin's potential, the coming market cycles could offer significant opportunities for growth.